Here we go. Daddy is going to try his noodle soup without cream or without milk. Sa akin, lalagyan ko ng milk. Alright, so here he is.
Good chicken noodle soup.
Yeah, it's a hearty, home-cooked, canned meals.
Jam-packed with good stuff.
Yes, jump back to good stuff. Alright, enjoy, Daddy Love.
Thank you.
At ito naman po ang para sa akin. Dalawang malalaking serving po ang laman ng isang quart size na jar. So, try ko naman ito with cream na milk. Cream milk. Ayan, cream milk pong aking ilalagay. Alright? Ayan, haluin natin siya. Tapos, try natin. Okay? Ayan. Sarap. Oh, talagang chicken sopas talaga ang ano niya. Ang kanyang kinalabasan. Try natin, mainit pa. Chicken sopas po ang dating. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.